Shots fired. Get out of the vehicle, your hands up! Hands up! Watch crossfire, have eyes! Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach!
On December 1st, 2024, New Mexico State police officers were called to assist the Luna County Sheriff's Office with a domestic disturbance call near the 8,000 block of Monty Road Southeast. Deputies made contact with 55-year-old John Dewillis, standing near a Dodge Ram pickup truck around 8:15 p.m. At some point during the interaction with deputies, Dewillis discharged at least one round from a firearm, then barricaded inside the truck. An NMSP officer fired multiple rounds from his department-issued rifle, striking Dewillis at least once.
Think about this, John. Come on, man.
Sorry. Watch that. Shots fired. Get out of the vehicle, your hands up! On your shoulder. Hey. Where's that beanbag? Hey, let's go. I'm good.
I know my kids want to see me when I get home tonight. I know your kids want to see you.
1219 SoCon.
Come on, John. This is the best way, man.
Be advised, PA announcements are ongoing. Subject refusing to exit the vehicle. He indicated he was armed with a 12 gauge in his vehicle to the deputy who was talking to him before our arrival.
Come on, John. Come on, John. Think about this, John. Come on, man.
Shots fired. Tell dispatch, shots fired. Get out of the vehicle, your hands up!
Shots fired.
Hey. Where's that beanbag? Hey, he's coming. I'm good. Twelve 19, so come, shots fired. Let's move. Hey, no, don't move. I have eyes! Underneath, hands up! Watch crossfire, I have eyes! Face away from me! Come. I got you. Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Shot? Hey, get a first aid kit. What do you need? Shot in the head. What do you need, man?
Let's stop. Sorry, my hands are full.
Did any of you guys shoot?
No.
Puppy is ready bandage, wrap it around his head.
Hold on, John.
Deputies and officers rendered aid to Dewillis, who was later airlifted to a Texas hospital for treatment and later booked into the Doña Ana County Detention Center. Dewillis was charged with 1 count of aggravated assault upon a peace officer with a deadly weapon. No officers or deputies were injured during this incident. Officers recovered 2 firearms at the scene. The officer involved in this incident was placed on standard administrative leave and has since returned to work. The incident will be reviewed by the district attorney's office. An internal investigation will be conducted.